Despite being a tropical island with rich fertile land, much of Puerto Rico's food is imported because of antiquated U.S. colony restrictions. Conscientious travelers can help Puerto Ricans become less dependent on imported food by supporting independent farm-to-table establishments. There are plenty to choose from, like the Bean to Cup experience at Don Ruiz Coffee in Old San Juan, or the small agri-culinary farm of Frutos del Guacabo in Manatí, Puerto Rico. If fritters are more your style, try sampling the mini kiosks selling these delicious fried treats in Loíza. Wash it all down with straight-from-the-tree coconut water. Felicidades, my friends! You've just discovered a scrumptious way to support Puerto Rico's locally grown farm-to-table movement.